You want to learn how to do a really cool Thanksgiving intro? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it in Lumafusion. Let's go! Okay, first up, that's roughly what we're going to do, okay? Let me try that again. Let me show all the elements, okay? Not just half. Okay, let me expand it out. Okay. That's roughly what we're going to do, okay? Now, usually with Thanksgiving, right? There's what are the elements you want to combine into your animation, okay? To make your intro really cool, stand out from the rest, okay? Go to Google, go to image, have a look, okay? What sort of things that people have done before? So you have turkey, pumpkins, Thanksgiving, the text, the autumn leaf. It's North America, okay? Right now in the land down under is spring. Yeah, so roughly this is what you have, okay? So pumpkin, turkey, fall, and Thanksgiving text, okay? So that's the kind of idea we can play with, okay? So incorporate that into your idea, your intro, and you can't go wrong, okay? So it's been here, it's been. Sometimes you want to add your logo into your mix as well to make a brand kind of stand out, okay? But if you can incorporate your logo, incorporate it, okay? Otherwise, it's fine, okay? Now, some of these elements, like right here, right? All the turkeys, okay? I have used Procreate. I've used Procreate to make a PNG, okay? A big PNG. If you don't have it, don't have Procreate, I suggest you have it, and you get your inspiration from there. It doesn't take too long to learn, okay? But leave me a comment down below if you need help with Procreate, okay? To do this kind of stuff. Okay? Let me know, and I'll probably do a tutorial if I have the time, okay? Okay. Before we do any animation, let's try any text from. Let's try any text from Apple first, okay? Apple Graphic. If it's free, why can't we use it? Okay. Right now, right, you can use the, let's go to, okay. I can use the sparkling water, the champagne. What else can I use? Okay, I can use the chicken thigh, chips. I don't want chips, but I use the chicken thigh, chicken legs. Let's see any pumpkins. Any animal, let's see. It's not animal, but it's no turkey. I can use chicken. Oh, there's turkey. Okay, you can use a turkey right there. Yeah, there's enough in Apple Graphic, okay, for you to play with. But this is low quality, okay, so you can't use, okay, celebration, sparkling wine, okay. Okay, let me go back. So this is roughly what you can play with, okay? So you have sparkling wine, you have your turkey, you have your meat, your drumstick, okay? No chips, okay? So whatever elements are free, you can use it, okay? You don't have to go, if you don't have Procreate, you can use this kind of free graphics to play with, okay? And incorporate that with your logo, you can still do it, okay? But follow my step is the idea of the animation that you want to learn from me in this tutorial, okay? Okay, let me start from scratch. Okay, so move that out somewhere. It's better if you start from scratch, okay? So I have this element. Now right now it's 5 seconds. I want to go to around 7 seconds, okay? 7 seconds long enough to do all this animation. Next one, I want to go this one. You add all your elements in first that you want to animate. Okay, then you animate from there. Okay, then I want to add the text, okay? Happy Thanksgiving, something like that, okay? Text. Okay. Thanksgiving. Okay, we animate slowly one by one. Okay, I'll show you that as well. So first thing you want to do is, the trick is, the animation is you animate one layer at a time or one element at a time. So what you want to do is turn off, go here, turn off the top layer and just leave one layer to play with. Okay, right now I have the turkey. Okay, I have a turkey right here, the red turkey. Okay, you see that? What you want to do is begin with the end in mind. Okay, so roughly 5 seconds I want to be in that position. Okay, so I make a keyframe, boom, and make a keyframe right here as well, and that's it. It will go from play, it will stand like that. Okay, so that's our background. Okay, that's our background. Okay, leave it there. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, turn on the eye here. So you go to the next layer, top layer, second layer. This one still go to 5 seconds as well. Okay, you want to somewhere there, right? Keyframe, boom. Move back 1 second, half a second, and make another keyframe right there. Okay, and move all the way to the beginning. And this one I want to expand it out like that. Okay, so I just want to zoom from big to small. Okay, but this is my idea only. Okay, but you can do many things with it. Okay, okay, the second element, that's done. Now go to the third element. The thing is, you keep continuing doing what you have to do. Okay, that's really very complex, right? 5 seconds as well. Somewhere there, when it's done. Okay, keyframe, back half a second. Now make another keyframe. Okay, move to the beginning, and I want this time, this one to be zoomed from small to big. Okay, let's play. Okay, so what happened there just then was I was one is go zoom in, okay, one is zoom out. Okay, so that's two, and that's the feathers. Okay, the feathers of the imagine the feather of a turkey. Okay, so it's got feather. Okay, okay, the next element I want to incorporate this turkey here. Okay, the yellow turkey, that's close to me. Okay, the yellow turkey has been roasted. Okay, it's been cooked. Okay, so I thought I changed the color to yellow, so I distinguish the difference between a live turkey and cooked turkey. So that's what you want to do. But it's my idea only. Okay, so you can do something different. Okay, but it's my thinking. Okay, so still to 1 second as well, 5 seconds. We want to replace the old turkey. Okay, move back half a second. We want this turkey to, let's say, what we want to do with this one. We want to be out of frame. How about that? Out of frame and move in. Okay, replace the other turkey. Okay, right there. And at this one here, we want, because we want to have the text as well coming in. Okay, so what I want to do is move this one somewhere there, so we have our text Thanksgiving on the right hand side here. Okay, but I don't want to go too much right there. Okay, so let's play. Boom, boom. Okay, roughly that's our text. We want to move position. Don't have to be perfect. Okay, something like that. Okay. Now the next element, to make it easier for ourselves, okay, the next element is what I have here is the skin. Okay, so I'll show you that. Go to 5 seconds. Okay, the skin. Okay, otherwise it looks this is my skin layer. Okay, so like that, roughly the skin. I use Procreate to create this, so make the skin kind of chicken, so it's been roasted. Okay, and you show the layer of the skin. Okay, that's my thinking. Okay, you can change the colors to different things, but that's roughly that's what you want to do. Okay, so make instead of doing that, right, just want to copy the first layer. Okay, the animation. So that one you want similar process to make it easy for yourself. Go up here. There's a star sign next to the question mark, and you want to make a copy. So right there, right? Copy, boom, and you just copy the animation. And you go here, and you paste it. Double tap, paste, and there, all the keyframes are there. So that's another trick you can learn there. Okay, now let's play. Okay, now what happened just then? Okay, we haven't animated the first two layers. Okay, that's whatever we have to incorporate. Okay, now go to the top layer. We haven't finished yet. Okay, the top layer is our text. Okay, make sure you turn on the eye, otherwise you can't see it. So Thanksgiving, something simple, something like that. Okay, but you can change whatever you want. Okay, so that, whatever. Okay. Thanksgiving, maybe I have to expand it out a little bit. Move here, increase the size a little bit, change the font to that one's good. Change the color. That Thanksgiving, something like that. Okay. Now begin with the end in mind. Okay, so that's roughly 6.5 seconds. Okay, somebody there, that will do me. Turn on the keyframe, boom, and I want to leave it there. Okay, 6 seconds. I want to have another keyframe, boom. Okay, so I'll try to create a freeze frame right there. Now 4.5 minutes in. So that's where I want to begin somewhere here, outside, and move in. Okay. 5 seconds. I want it to move in to this position. Okay. Hurry down here probably. And slowly move up. Let's animate and see what happens. Okay. So roughly going down, going up. Thanksgiving. Okay. And that's the end. But what happened? It hasn't finished yet because it's 2 layers here. We haven't finished animation yet. Okay. So let's go back to the second layer. Okay. Now go to that one, right? Begin in mind. 6 seconds. Okay. I want it to move out somewhere here and rotate. Rotate 360. Okay. From there down here, I want it to move out. Okay, let's play. Okay, roughly. Okay, now this third layer, the feather. Okay, So I still want to move out of the screen as well. About 6 seconds. You want to rotate 180. Somewhere there. From out there, we want to move somewhere up here. Okay, let's play. Okay, now the bottom layer we want to move it out. Okay, so from there, right, we want to move it out 3 seconds. Half a second, say half a second, we want to move it out of the way. So the other chicken replace it. Okay, let's play. That's it, my friend. Okay, that's what you do. Okay, you can manipulate slowly. The key is do one layer at a time. Okay, one layer at a time. Mix and match to how you like it, and that's how you animate a simple turkey for Thanksgiving. Okay, but the imagination is unlimited, my friend. Unlimited. Okay. Now, right now it's just an animation, okay? It's not so much fun, okay? What you want to do is incorporate your sound effects and music, okay? You could use champagne glass popping, something like that, okay? So I'll do that in my final mix, so you will understand like what I'm trying to say there. Right now, I haven't got that sound effect yet, but I will go and get it after this. Okay, so you know that I can do this kind of stuff. Okay, but the imagination is unlimited for what you can do here. Okay, so I'll just give you an idea first. You can run from there. My name is Jared Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you find the content is valuable to you. And happy Thanksgiving.